My son, my dearest Khalil, your father tells me the new world you're journeying to, Earth, is full of complicated beings capable of great emotion.